Crosswalks are an essential part of visual safety systems. Keep your warehouse traffic moving safely and efficiently with SafetyTac Crosswalk. Installing your crosswalk is simple. Just follow these steps. Always start by sweeping your floor to get rid of surface dirt and debris. It may be helpful to use a measuring tape or chalk line to align your crosswalk. With the backing still attached, place your first strip approximately 4 to 6 inches from your starting point. Next, lay down 3 strips, edge to edge as shown. Removing the 2 inner strips will give you the appropriate spacing. Your crosswalk shipment will contain the exact number of strips you need to complete the installation. With the spacing set, you are now ready to install your crosswalk. Hold the first strip in position using a heavy object or your own body weight. Peel a small portion of the backing from the strip and press it to the floor. Be careful to maintain your original alignment. Peel the liner from the rest of the strip, pressing down as you go. Repeat this process for each strip. Finally, tamp down each strip with a cart or dolly to ensure they are securely fixed to the floor. Your SafetyTac Crosswalk is now ready to use. For more information, visit SafetyTac.com.